Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today we're going to be making roasted chicken with vegetables. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, we have washed our chicken and now we're going to prepare our vegetables. And we got some red skin potatoes. And guess what, guys? We're going to cook these red skin potatoes with the skin on. And we're going to cut these, wash these very thoroughly. And then we're going to cook these red skin potatoes. All right, I washed those potatoes very thoroughly. And now we're going to be getting some celery because we're going to need the celery, yeah. We're just going to tear off some part leaves. Okay, I have some baby carrots, and you can find these in your grocery store. Our last vegetable is going to be an onion. Okay, I sprayed my pan, which this is a roasting pan, with vegetable oil, non-cooking spray vegetable oil, clean potatoes that I did. And I'm going to dump those all into that pan here. My carrots. I'm going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. My celery. I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to make sure I mix everything. The pepper. My other celery. That's that leaf. Okay, a clove of garlic. I want to start laying that baby in there. You remember those wedge onions that I had? All right, we want to mix that up and get that in there. Okay, so that's in there. And we're going to add one bay leaf in there. Cook that. Some garlic powder. I know we got fresh garlic. You can discard if you want, but I like garlic. And we're going to add some paprika. Just a little bit of paprika. Mrs. Dash blend. I got this new low called Dano's Original Seasoning. It's a low sodium, but it has really great seasons. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of that to it. A little parsley. I'm using dry parsley, but if you have fresh parsley, use it. Oh, fantastic, guys. It smells so good. I am going to get out the chicken that I ate and boom, put it right in there around those potatoes. So now I'm going to add a little bit more Dano's just on top of my chicken. 4 cups of water. 4 cups of chicken broth. Let's put this in a 350-degree oven with the top on for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alrighty, there we go. This had just came out of the oven and you can tell it is still hot. I don't want to break up the potatoes and the carrots and everything. I strained a little bit of the juice and I got me 2 cups of the broth. Now I'm going to use 1 cup of the broth and I'm going to put half of that cup of broth inside some mixture of chicken gravy. So this time I just went and got some chicken gravy package. Okay, then I'm going to transfer this to a medium low heat on the stove and constantly keep stirring. In another saucepan, I've got some mushroom soup that I'm going to add into this pan. Guess what? Remember that gravy I made? Okay, it didn't quite get really thick, and I didn't thicken this up because then I thought I'm going to make a different type of gravy. I'm going to add a can of the mushroom soup with my gravy that I had made, and I'm going to mix this up, and this is going to be a great gravy that I'm going to make. Okay, so here is my roasted chicken with my vegetables. And we have red potatoes, carrots, onions, celery. There's some celery there. I cut them up in little chunks. And then we did our gravy, mushroom soup with gravy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.